with my dad in the garage. The sawdust, that pine sol in the moss. Around every spring, when the winter thawed, we'd huddle around the radio, twist the broken knob. 7:10 a.m., no KJR. Dave Lee House's voice would echo throughout the yard. Couldn't have been older than 10, but to me and my friends, the voice on the other end might as well have been God's. 1995, the division series, Eggers at to bat, bottom of the 11th inning, got the whole town listening, swung on and belted, the words distorted, Joey Core rounds third, here comes Griffey, the throw to the place, not in time, my oh my, the Mariners win it, yes, fireworks, they lit up that ceiling in the Kingdom, we had just made history.
That's one on the line, that would be a line for a base hit, here comes Joy, here is Junior to third base, they're going to wave him in, the throw to the plate will be late, the Mariners are going to play for the American League Championship, I don't believe it, it just continues, my.
Lace and woven, barely holding that stitch. Creases of time amongst the grime and the grit. Weathered leather, he used to pound his fist. To some it's just a myth, but see that glow is him. Yep, tell me stories on the field with that sun-stained rim. Blood under my chin, he taught me how to spit. Sunflower seeds back with me and my crew. Sunburnt arms, big league chew. Yeah, we were like the Sandlot after dinner. After practice we listened to the M's in the kitchen. And if mom wasn't tripping, come on dad, please, I swear this one more inning. Voice would pump through the system. Break out the rye bread. It's grand salami time, my oh my, another victory, yes. My city, childhood, my life, watching Griffey right under those lights.
Le 912 Jordan Beaugendre.